A common problem with small engines, especially things like chainsaws and weed whackers, are the fuel lines get rotted and they fall off. That's an easy to find problem, so a lot of people run out and they buy some new fuel lines. So the problem is they get home and they try to install these new fuel lines and they will not fit through the holes to get back into the gas tank. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get these new fuel lines installed. And don't forget, if this helps, please click that subscribe button. So the big trick to getting this fuel line to fit is to cut it at an angle. And what that's going to allow you to do is fit it in there. So once you have it cut at an angle, sort of like that, then I like to take some lubricant. I'm using some white lithium grease here, but you could use WD-40 or some Vaseline, just anything to lube it up, and that'll allow it to slide through even easier. Alright, now we're just gonna feed that puppy through there.
The puppy?
Once I get it, shh. Once I get it pulled through there as far as I can, then I'll reach underneath. You can see I kind of got it down in there pretty good. Now, you can see down in there at all, I'll take some long needle nose pliers and use that to pull it the rest of the way in.
You're messing with out. Yes.
And there it is, pulled through, and that'll allow me now to just cut it off flat and put the fuel filter on. If this video helped you, please help me by clicking that subscribe button. I appreciate you.